Welcome to Techmirror. In this video, the best portable washing machines of 2025. If you're looking for compact, efficient, and reliable washing solutions for small spaces, dorms, or travel, you will not want to miss this list. We have researched the top picks to make your laundry easier than ever. Stay tuned, and do not forget, links in the description. Number 5. The Costway Portable Washing Machine with Twin Tub Design is an excellent solution for those who need convenience, efficiency, and compact functionality in their laundry routine. Built with a washer capacity of 12 pounds and a spinner capacity of 8 pounds, this machine makes it possible to handle laundry for an entire family while saving time and effort. Its twin tub system allows you to wash and spin clothes simultaneously, eliminating unnecessary delays. With a 330-watt washing power and a 110-watt spinning power, the machine delivers reliable performance for both light and heavy loads. One of its standout features is the timer control, which gives you flexibility to set up to 15 minutes for washing and 5 minutes for spinning depending on your needs. The 3 intuitive knobs for washing selection, washing timer, and spinning timer make operation very straightforward, even for seniors. In addition, the compact and lightweight structure makes this washer ideal for apartments, dormitories, RVs, and even camping trips. Constructed from durable ABS and polypropylene materials, the washer is designed for long-term use. User reviews also highlight its effectiveness in handling tough laundry situations. For example, customers using it during home construction projects found it highly reliable, especially since the spinner gets clothes nearly dry, requiring minimal line drying. The key is not to overload it and to pretreat stains for the best results. With its durability, performance, and portability, the Costway Portable Washing Machine is a practical and highly recommended choice for small living spaces and travel. Number 4. The OurTech Portable Washing Machine with Twin Tub Design is a practical and efficient solution for individuals living in compact spaces such as apartments, dormitories, and RVs. With a total capacity of 28 pounds, including 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning, it provides enough room to handle daily laundry with ease. Despite its compact footprint of 15 inches deep, 27 inches wide, and 32 inches high, this unit offers impressive performance while remaining easy to fit into small bathrooms or closets. Equipped with a powerful 1300 RPM motor, the machine ensures effective cleaning while maintaining energy and water efficiency. The semi-automatic operation includes a simple control panel with 3 knobs that allow users to adjust wash time, spin time, and wash mode. The transparent window provides visibility during operation, making it easier to monitor progress. The built-in drain pump and adjustable inlet hose add flexibility, ensuring hassle-free water management in different settings. This washer also features a lint filter to trap debris and maintain cleaner laundry results. With thoughtful safety features such as overheat protection, the motor automatically shuts off when temperatures are too high, extending durability and ensuring safe operation. Customer feedback highlights its effectiveness and quiet performance, especially when paired with a vibration-absorbing mat to reduce noise in apartment settings. Users appreciate its ability to wash and spin simultaneously, cutting laundry time significantly. Overall, the OurTech Portable Washing Machine is a durable, space-saving, and reliable choice for those seeking a convenient laundry solution in smaller living environments. Number 3. The Black Plus Decker 0.9 cubic feet. Portable washer is a reliable and compact laundry solution designed for apartments, small homes, and limited living spaces. With a washing capacity of 6.6 pounds, it is ideal for individuals or small households who need an efficient washer without the bulk of a full-size machine. Measuring 17.7 inches deep, 17.3 inches wide, and 31.1 inches high, this portable washer can be easily placed in tight areas and stored conveniently when not in use. This model offers 5 wash cycles including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, providing versatility for a variety of fabric types and cleaning needs. It also features 3 water level options to accommodate small, medium, or larger loads. Designed for cold water use only, it ensures effective and energy-efficient cleaning. The stainless steel tub is both durable and resistant to rust and corrosion, while the transparent lid with a quiet close design allows users to monitor the washing process easily. Safety is thoughtfully included with features such as automatic unbalance detection, auto shutoff, and a child lock for peace of mind. Its portable design is enhanced by 2 built-in roller wheels and side handles, making it simple to move between rooms or connect to a sink using the included quick connect adapter and drain hose. User reviews praise its cleaning performance, noting it works just as well as larger machines while remaining quiet and easy to set up. The Black Decker portable washer is a dependable and space-saving choice for modern laundry needs. Number 2. The Giantex Full Automatic Portable Washing Machine is a versatile and compact laundry solution designed to bring convenience to apartments, dormitories, and small homes. With a 1.34 cubic feet capacity and the ability to wash up to 12 pounds of clothing at once, it is well suited for daily laundry needs while maintaining a small footprint of 19.7 inches deep, 19.8 inches wide, and 33.6 inches high. Its lightweight yet durable design makes it easy to move, while the stainless steel inner tub ensures long-lasting performance. The control panel is user-friendly, featuring 10 programs, 8 water level selections, and an LED display for clear operation. With simple push buttons, users can set wash cycles, adjust spin speed, select water levels, and even use a delay start option for added flexibility. The machine also includes a child lock for safety and a transparent lid, allowing users to monitor cycles easily. One standout feature is the automatic imbalance adjustment, which ensures stable spinning by correcting uneven laundry distribution. Adjustable feet provide additional stability on different floor surfaces. The built-in drain pump and hose make water management simple, whether connecting to a sink or draining directly. Customer feedback praises its performance, noting that it works comparably to a full-sized washer while remaining quiet and efficient. Users also appreciate its water and energy-saving design, as well as its portability when placed on a dolly for easy movement. The Giantex Full Automatic Washing Machine is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a compact, reliable, and efficient laundry solution. Number 1. The Comfy 1.6 Cubic Feet Portable Washing Machine is a highly efficient and versatile solution for laundry in apartments, dormitories, RVs, or camping settings. With an 11-pound capacity, it can handle medium-sized loads while maintaining a compact footprint of 20.7 inches deep, 20.3 inches wide, and 36.6 inches high. Its durable stainless steel inner tub ensures long-lasting performance, and the top-loading design with a transparent lid allows users to monitor the washing process conveniently. This fully automatic washer offers 6 wash programs including normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin-only, giving flexibility for different fabric types. The extra rinse option and 3 water temperature settings further enhance cleaning efficiency. The machine also includes a child lock feature, ensuring the control panel is safe from unintended use, which is particularly useful in households with children. Additional features include a delay start function, which allows users to schedule laundry cycles according to their convenience, and a reloading option that lets clothes be added mid-cycle without restarting the machine. Its built-in drain pump simplifies water disposal, making it practical for small spaces without dedicated laundry plumbing. The Comfy portable washer is also energy efficient, saving up to 84% of electricity compared to similar models, which helps reduce household costs. Customers praise its gentle yet effective cleaning performance, noting that it washes clothes thoroughly without causing damage. With wheels for easy mobility and a compact design, the Comfy 1.6 Cubic Feet Portable Washing Machine is a reliable and convenient choice for modern living spaces. Thank you for watching our review of the best portable washing machines of 2025. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect compact washer for your home, dorm, or RV. Each model offers unique features to make laundry easier, faster, and more convenient. Do not forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and more details. Stay tuned for more helpful reviews and tips.